బాలీవుడ్ నుండి టాలీవుడ్‌కి చాలామంది హీరోయిన్స్ వస్తారు. ఈరోజు ఐశ్వర్య బకోని వచ్చింది. తను గతంలో చాలా బాలీవుడ్ మూవీస్ చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు 100 క్రోర్స్‌లో హీరోయిన్‌గా చేస్తుంది. రామాయణంలో తను పార్వతి క్యారెక్టర్ కూడా చేసింది. సో, ఇంత ట్రెడిషనల్ రోల్స్ చేసి మళ్ళీ తను ఇంత కమర్షియల్ రోల్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? తన్నే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ ఐశ్వర్య, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So beautiful seeing you traditionally in Ramayan as Parvati Ma. How did you get that role?
So, Swastik was auditioning for Parvati. So, I went there, I read the script, I auditioned, and luckily I got the role. All Mars Grace.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now a commercial movie like 100 crores. What is the transition that happens when you're doing roles like this?
There's no such transition, only the costume is there, dress is there, language is there. Rest, we are an actor, we are bound to do, be it a mythological role or be it commercially
Mindset?
heroine role. Mindset, yeah, when we do spiritual roles, we are in that getup, we think positively, we think spiritually, and when we are doing these kind of roles, we are thinking in a very glamorous way, like mindset changes in that way.
Yeah. So if you get 100 crores, what would you do?
If I get 100 crores in account or in cash?
Uh, I don't know. You should ask your director.
So if it's in cash, I would buy myself a penthouse and then a Rolls Royce, and then I'll take my whole family for a world tour, and then I'll build NGOs for old age homes for old people, child like orphanage houses. I would build. That's what I would do. And if I get 100 crores in cash, I would be very worried where to hide it.
So you're so clear about it. So do you pay tax?
I definitely do pay tax. More than I earn, I'd pay tax.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when you see the difference in the industries, what difference you find when you're shooting in Bombay, in Hyderabad?
In Hyderabad, I feel people are more welcoming and warm towards the actors coming from Bollywood, and there's no nepotism. They give chance to every newcomer, and they give all kind of opportunities to them. So I feel very welcomed here more than I feel welcomed in Bollywood, because Bollywood is all about nepotism. They don't let newcomers rise that much.
Yeah.
That is true.
So how do you see yourself in the Tollywood industry?
I see myself growing here. I see myself becoming successful here more than I feel so in Bollywood. I feel becoming a star here more. There's more possibility here in Tollywood than Bollywood.
We have seen a lot of Me Too movements happening in different industries. Then recently we saw the HEMA committee report come out. What are your comments on that?
I've not heard about HEMA committee reports, but yeah, things like casting couch, they do exist in industries. I've not felt these things in Tollywood mostly, but yeah, I've come across such things in Bollywood. So these things do exist.
So, especially the new actresses who are entering into the industry, what do you have to tell them? What cautious measures they have to take?
See, people who try to demolish your confidence and who try to bring your confidence down, it's their hidden intention to get you under their wings and to take advantage of you. So have confidence in yourselves. Focus on your acting skills. If you are a good actor, if you look presentable on screen, there's nobody that could stop you. So you should focus on your talent and have confidence in yourself. And if someone tries to come and break you or break your confidence and if tell you that you're not good enough, don't believe them.
What is your fitness regime? When do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at around 8 to 9 in the morning and I sleep at around 12 to 1 at night. Fitness, I don't follow any fitness regime. I go to gym, not very regular, and I do eat parathas, I eat samosas, I eat Maggi, I eat everything. And see, I'm slim.
So, is it genetic?
No, it's not genetic. I gain weight very fast. I eat in a very small portion. I don't eat like bahut sara. So that's the trick.
Yeah. So, in this movie, do you have any songs?
I had one song, but we had to cancel that because of certain reasons. But no, we don't have song.
Are you a good dancer?
I'm a trained classical dancer. I've done senior junior diploma in Kathak. I'm a trained Western dancer, so I'm a very good dancer overall.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when it comes to 100 crores, what were the fun moments that happened in the set during shooting?
Actually, we did not have quite fun on set because we were, when I'm on set, I'm very much focused on my lines because, learning Telugu, then understanding it, and then emoting it, and then remembering it. So it's very difficult. So when I'm on set in a Telugu movies, I'm always very focused that what I have to say, how do I have to emote, how do I have to give one take shots. So I usually don't do fun on set.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what did you learn in Telugu?
Ella Unnaro. And lot of other words, but then, yeah. I've learned Telugu, but I'm not very fluent with it, but I'm learning.
Okay, when we see you wear so many rings, can you show it to the camera?
Yeah, my mom made me wear all these rings. I don't know what it is.
Does
for.
it help in magnifying your luck?
Maybe if I'm sitting here right now with you, maybe
Yeah.
something is definitely helping me out.
Great. And when it comes to doing some scenes with actor, if the scenes are very intimate, do you like discuss with him or the director, or how is it like?
We do it very professionally. Even if there are some intimate, mostly I avoid doing intimate scenes. And if there is a requirement, then director leaves it to us. And then since I developed some kind of friendship with the guy, so it's like very professional. It's not very personal or anything. There are 100 cameras on you, 100 of people are watching you, a lot of lights are there, a lot of retakes are there. So when you're a friend with your co-actor, it goes smoothly. Yeah.
Any dream roles, or you want to work with this hero or heroine?
I think I would look really good with Mahesh Babu on screen. With Allu Arjun, I really love his comic timing and his comedy. I would love to do a film with him. And with Ram Charan, he's like very serious actor and he does amazing action scenes. So I would love to do it with him as well. And my dream roles are like I want to be the heroine in the commercial cinema where when I enter, my hair flies, there are flowers and slow motion. I want to do those kind of stuff.
Great. I wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
కమర్షియల్ రోల్స్ చేస్తే చాలా బాగుంటుంది అంటుంది ఐశ్వర్య. కెమెరా పర్సన్ అలీతో తరుణ, ఎన్టీవీ హైదరాబాద్.